you guys live from the iPhone because, long story short, I dropped my SD card from my camera and it broke. I don't know how it broke, but it broke. I have to go buy another one, but I didn't have time today. So for now, iPhone times a GoPro vlog. But today, what we got going on is we're gonna cruise to a car meet with the homie Jimmy. The guy that let me drive his F80. I'm gonna go with him and a few other homies to a car meet at a college, actually. Fun fact, I was actually gonna go to this college a few years ago, and now we're gonna go back to a car meet there. And right now we are on the way to pick up the homie Panda. He's gonna roll me to the meet, and he's actually calling me right now, so let me answer real quick. All right, guys, we made up with the homie Jimmy. He actually said if I want to catch a little 60-year-old for fun. I said sure, why not? He does have 4 heads in the car though, but this will count as like
he wants
5 heads.
He wants the hit too.
But you count for 5 heads.
Shut up.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll probably do a 60-wheel in third. Yeah, cause second is kind of too high.
Just brake boost it.
But dude, rolling out to you like start shooting fat ass flames.
Yep.
How are you gonna count? Practice. 30.
Not even 1, 2, 3.
That was fun. I gave him the hit in 3rd gear. I didn't even brake boost, so all the fucking...
It's not good.
It took so long for the boost to hit. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's just so sick, bro. I got to race. But hopefully it's my next car. Hopefully. You guys subscribe so I can buy an F80 as a daily, please. Like and subscribe. And of course, we wouldn't be in Cali if there wasn't traffic. All jokes aside, I'm pretty sure that's a bad accident. I hope everybody's okay. This is literally a parking lot right now. Update. It's literally been like 30 minutes, bro. We're still here. I really don't know what happened, but it must be pretty bad. Bro, it literally cleared us right when we passed through it. Let's go on the right lane though. I don't know what the f this is.
Oh, there's gonna be a bunch of pieces everywhere. Damn, that shit's fucked up. It caught on fire or what? Why is that all that powder there? I think it caught on fire. Alright, first gear pull right now. Alright guys, we made it to the meet. Let's go ahead and walk around a little bit. There's not a lot of cars here, but the few cars that there is here, they look pretty clean. It's because they all got stuck in traffic.
I feel like that's what happened. And look at this Lexus. If there is one thing about this spot, is that the lighting is perfect. Check out this RSX on the anniversary wheels. It's crazy. Both of my worlds collided. My first car with my second car's wheels. This one's pretty clean. This color's pretty clean. We're actually talking with the homies on what color I should wrap the car next. I've always said I would keep it red, but I kind of want to do something else now. Like midnight purple or something. What do you think?
Yes, another color, not red.
But regardless, sooner than later I'll go back to red. Check out all these bikes. I actually got asked the other day if I raced a bike, and I have. But honestly, I don't think I'll ever do it again. That's just so scary, bro. Like, God forbid, like, somebody loses control. I'm good. I don't think I'll ever race a bike again, to be honest. Would you?
I cut off bikes.
You cut off? Nah, it's wild. Check out this 5-volt with the gold racing stripes. It's pretty good. White on gold. The hell? Hertz wheels. It's not like a rental company. My boy rent these wheels. Sorry, 6 looks so sick, bro. I'm not an Audi guy, but damn, this front end looks super aggressive. M340. This or F80 next?
This.
This? The soft?
Check out that oil.
Damn, look at all that oil right there.
Somebody blew up.
No way.
Somebody said, let's wash the car at the car meet. Where are you?
Got a bit on the tire. A race star. Oh, I like how that bumper is cut. Damn, I smell a 91 from here. Yeah, I smell that shit.
You're gonna get the shit out of it.
Mach 1.
The preload was
Oh, that's sick. I didn't even see this. Clean, clean. Check out this Evo. This is a car that I have on my bucket list for sure. What the tell me? Huh? Sick. It's NSX. With the carbon wing. So clean, bro. I'm gonna take a picture of this and send it to my uncle. He like geeks over these cars. Parked next to these S2000s, both on TEs. This is pretty clean, bro. I like the blue on this one. Which blue do you guys like better? I think I like this one better. The thickest, what would you call that? The thickest transportation here. Alright guys, just like that, we're out of here. Now we're gonna go get In-N-Out because we're all hungry. Look at Jimmy's F80, bro. I need one. Looks like Jimmy just found a race. 5-0. My boy, come over here. You be hell no. I'm gonna go back him up.
Well, the next time I start downshifting. Pro-charged. Boost versus boost.
Not bad, not bad.
What's out there?
Alright guys, just dropped out the homie Panda. Headed home now. Lucky my head hurting from the adrenaline crash. I had hella adrenaline after those runs, bro. Yeah, good runs to whoever that was. If you're seeing this, bro. Pro Charge 5.0. Very nice. That's funny, bro. What's crazy is that those 3 runs, Jimmy's F80 and the 2 with that Mustang, are actually my first races with this car with the Bill motor. It's crazy, right? I've had the Bill motor over a year almost, and it's the first time. But she honestly performed a lot better than I even thought. Once I heard the Pro Charger, I'm like, damn, it's gonna be either a good race or he's gonna beat me. But I guess my Z got that dog in him, you feel me? But yeah, huge shout out to my tuner and my builder, E-Class Tunes. He's built a rocket, bro, and we still got a lot to go. This is still low boost technically. I still got quite a bit of room to grow, so I'm excited to see how that feels. I hope you guys all like the Mexico content. I know I did. All right guys, we made it home in one piece, thank God. That's always a blessing, especially after doing some Mexico activities. So I was actually just texting my tuner right now, and he told me he actually found the page of that blue Mustang. I did notice that sticker, it did look familiar. I guess those guys have a dyno. I guess they tune as well. And I thought the Mustang sounded Pro Charge, but according to their profile, unless they change the setup, it's a single turbo, and I think it makes over 800 wheel horsepower. There's a post of it hitting like 820 wheel horsepower or 821 on the dyno, which is actually freaking insane that this car beat that fast of a car. I think this car is faster than I actually think it is, to be honest. It did pull pretty hard. It felt really good versus Jimmy's F80 and now that Mustang. Jimmy's F80, I did give him the hit, and I was in 3rd gear. I didn't even brake boost. I let the boost hit after he pulled on me, and then, well, versus that Mustang, I gave him the full beans. Full beans, but still on low boost, if that makes sense. My car is still not turned up, but even at this power level, it's performing very, very good. So I got to give a huge shout out to my guy once again at E-Class Tunes. He really did help me build a monster, bro. And like I said, we're still not even close to being done. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much how she performed versus a boosted 5.0. I've always wanted to race one of those, especially a boosted one, and it finally happened. Shout out to that guy. Good run, bro. Nothing but love. Ain't no toxicity or weirdness over here on my side. So good run, bro. Nice car. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys are all liking the Mexico content with the Z. It's been a minute since I raced this car, actually. But if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys could be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one.